If you're looking for a great 5G smartphone in the mid-budget range, your search might soon be over. That's because Nokia is about to launch a powerful smartphone for you, packed with amazing features like a 200-megapixel DSLR camera and the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, all at a very affordable price. Yes, we're talking about the Nokia N73 5G smartphone. So, if you're also interested in buying this smartphone, make sure to watch this video till the end. Because, in today's video, we'll share all the details about this fantastic smartphone's fully leaked features, price, and launch date. So let's start. Features of the Nokia N73 5G. In this amazing smartphone from Nokia, you'll get a 6.95-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with a 144 Hz refresh rate, and a 390 Hz touch sampling rate. Additionally, this smartphone comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. Moreover, the phone is expected to have an IP68 rating, making it dust and water resistant. Camera setup. When it comes to the camera quality, this smartphone features a triple camera setup on the back. The main camera is a whopping 200-megapixel sensor. Alongside this, there are two other cameras, a 32-megapixel and a 10-megapixel sensor. For selfie lovers, there's a 50-megapixel front camera as well. Performance. In terms of the processor, this phone is equipped with Qualcomm's most powerful chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Elite 5G. As for the operating system, it runs on the latest Android 15. Battery backup. When it comes to battery life, this phone packs a massive 6900 mAh battery, with 100-watt fast charging support, and a USB Type-C charging port. Price and launch date. Now talking about the price, it is expected to be around $900. As for the launch date, there's no official information available yet,